show you how to keep your lightweight fabrics from ghosting on your sublimation machine. I have flags and such that sometimes when this lid pulls up, when it's finished heating the fabric, it will pull and bounce back and create ghosting on your fabric. So what I do is I put a piece of blowout paper down, I put the fabric down, then I take the print and I take two pieces, put them together, because this cuts them off like about 1.5 inches, and that's not long enough. So what I do is I am going to get the print to adhere to the paper, the blowout paper, and this will be on top of when it presses. You see, I just put two of them together, make a roll. This is heat tape. Okay. Now, I'm going to adhere this to the blowout paper. See how it sticks to the blowout paper? Then the back, we are going to throw some more of this tape on there. And what it will do is it will stick to the top of the heat press and not allow the fabric to jump back down and create ghosting. I've ruined so many flags just because of this, that we are going to outsmart my heat press. I have it set at 400 for 60 seconds. Now, I'm going to try and find the placement of the fabric here. It's pretty darn good. And then we're going to press. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Now see, here is the fabric, and up here, let me bring it closer, sorry. Up here is the print with the blowout paper. Ghosting, none. Thanks.